Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be taking a first look at something a little different. The JS-01 Pro HD AI smart glasses. If you've been following the smart wearable space, you know things have been moving fast. So I got my hands on a unit and today we are going to go through everything in the box and give you a proper first impression. As always, I'll be using this for a few weeks before giving my full in-depth review, covering battery life, video recording quality, and the overall day-to-day experience. So stay tuned for that. Let's get into it. So here's the box. The packaging is clean, fairly compact. Let's see what we are working with inside. First thing you'll notice is the glasses themselves sitting right on top. Solid first impression, by the way. Beneath that, we have a charging cable. And this is interesting. It's a magnetic charger similar to what you would find on modern smartwatches. So that's a nice touch. There's also a cleaning fabric included, which makes sense given you are going to be wearing these and the lenses will inevitably pick up smudges. One thing I really appreciate is that they've included an extra pair of lenses. By default, the glasses come fitted with dark-tinted lenses, which is great for outdoor use. But if you prefer a clear, transparent lens, you've got that option right in the box. You are essentially getting two configurations out of the gate. And rounding things out, we've got the user manual and a carrying pouch. And this isn't a hard case, it's more of a soft fabric pouch. Whether that's enough protection for day-to-day use is something I'll touch on the full review. In summary, the glasses, a magnetic charging cable, a cleaning cloth, an extra set of clear lenses, the manual, and a soft carrying pouch. That's not bad for what's in the box. Now let's take a closer look at the lenses themselves. Build-wise, they feel solid, not flimsy at all. The frames have a clean, minimal design, which I think is going to matter a lot to most people. The lenses that come pre-installed are dark tinted, which is good for sunlight and outdoor use. The lens swap mechanism is something I'll test out properly, but it looks straightforward enough. There's clearly some hardware built into the frame, where the AI and HD recording components would sit. We'll see how that affects weight and comfort over extended wear. But overall, from a design and build standpoint, first impressions are positive. So that's the unboxing of the JS-01 Pro HD AI smart glasses. There is definitely a lot to like from what we've seen so far. The dual lens system, the smartwatch style magnetic charging, and a build that doesn't feel cheap. But the real question is the battery life, how stable the video recording is, and whether these are comfortable enough to wear for long periods. Those are things you can only answer with time, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So give this video a thumbs up, and if you found it helpful, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the full review. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.